Jordi Casamichana is drawing a lot of attention. His dismissal by his former employer, the League Against Cruel Sports, has turned into a potential court judgment over the ethical rights of veganism itself.
I want to say to all our viewers, this cause is for all of us, is for everybody around the world. So
online channels focusing on plant-based diets are celebrating Casamichana's role as a champion of the movement.
Veganism is growing so fast. We enter in this new phase in veganism, which is the policy phase, the phase where laws and legislation and policy and regulation starts to play a role in getting the world vegan. And perhaps my case is the first step towards that wide door that is opening to us.
Jordi Casamichana's claim is that he was unfairly dismissed after disclosing that his former employer invested pension funds in companies linked to animal testing. He said he was unfairly disciplined and the decision to sack him was based on his veganism. The League Against Cruel Sports says he was dismissed for gross misconduct. The core of the ruling will be whether or not ethical veganism is a philosophical belief akin to a religion and therefore worthy of the same protection. Veganism and vegetarianism are on the rise, particularly in Europe. Even a few years ago, such a case would have been extremely unlikely. January has been dubbed Veganuary in the UK, a testament that what was once a novelty is now elbowing its way into the politics of health and sustainability.
Farming billions of animals every year uses a huge amount of resources, it produces a huge amount of pollution, and it's something that isn't sustainable for our societies in the long run. So it's something that needs to be addressed, and going vegan is a really powerful option for individuals to sort of choose to make those changes in their lives.
The number of vegans in the UK quadrupled between 2014 and 2018, and almost half of those vegans made the change in the last 2 years. It's a trend in one direction, and a small tribunal court in Norwich may be about to recognise that. The League Against Cruel Sport says the hearing is about the protected status of veganism by law, an issue it says it doesn't contest. Andrew Wilson, CGTN, London.